may I help you?
Hello. My son, Jay Brown, has disappeared. We haven't seen him for more than a day. My husband and I have been looking for him, and we haven't found him. Worst of all, 2 of his best friends, the Owen children, have disappeared too. They were in the newspaper, and we don't know what to do.
Please, ma'am, keep calm. We also have received other calls about missing children in recent weeks. We're looking for the culprit right now, so please, stay calm. We're doing everything we can to solve this terrible problem.
Have more children disappeared in the last few weeks? What a horror!
Could you tell us anything that may help us find your son? Has anything strange happened in the past few days in your neighborhood?
Now that you mention it, lately I've been...
Liz, Mike, Charlie! I think I found a way out. Come this way, quick.
Jay, where are you going? The ladies go first.
Well, I finally have you all.
No! Damn chubby kids! They escaped again! Oh, I can't take it anymore! This will be the last time they run away! Since I kidnapped them and locked them in my factory, they haven't stopped giving me problems! Oh, I no longer want to use them as ingredients in my special ice cream. This has become personal. Oh, I wasn't planning on resorting to this, but party's over, bastards.
I think now I'm able to do more things than before. Jump, roll, attack. Huh. Do I have ninja blood? A sexy ninja blood, of course.
My
I'll do
parents
my
are
best for
surely
the
looking
team.
for me. Liz and Charlie were on the news and everything. Even if we don't get out of here on our own, they'll still find us somehow.
I'm not so sure about this, guys. But I will try.
That we're all quiet, even for a moment, is something that makes me feel at home. Even if we're far away, and there's a crazy ice...
Is this my son's factory? It looks very magnificent from up close. At last, I'll be able to hug him and... Who's there? A fat, ugly creature like you can't be my baby. So I'll smash you with my hammer! Don't run away, child. Stop running now! Where do you think you are going?
The truth is,
Okay, time to finish this.
I see you all very funny. So chubby and round. I'll do my best for the team. And for the people I love.
Don't run away! How many times do I have to hit you with my hammer? Huh.
The generator is located inside a cottage to the north of the factory. Get there ASAP. Over.
I found this egg on my way here. Take it to its mom, please.